This video gonna show you how to program a spare key for Class 3 on BMW. You can click Help to check connection information. First, we need to remove the Class 3 module from the vehicle. Class 3 module is under the steering wheel. Now, let's check all the stuff we need. We're gonna need Class 3 module, 20-pin cable, ACDP host, OBP-ICP adapter, VAV key adapter, Class 3 copper pillar, Class 3 interface board, BDN adapter, walk key, and a new blank key. Install the copper pillar. Align D1 to D4 test points. Vertical press down the Class 3 interface board. Lock the board with the copper pillar. As long as the 4 test points are aligned, then all the test points are aligned. Connect the OBP-ICP adapter and the BDN adapter. Connect the Class 3 interface board and the BDN adapter. Connect the ACDP hoster and the OBP-ICP adapter. Power up the ACDP. Open Mini ACDP app. Choose BMW. Choose Class 1 to 4. Choose Class 3, Class 3 Plus. It's always good to click Help. You can find out where the MAX ID is. Then select option based on MAX ID. Click INNO. Click Step 1. Read the class date. Click OK. Pin detection passed. If the detection fails, please check and clean the test points. Click OK. Check the VIN number and the mileage. Click Step 2. General Dealer Keys. Choose Add a Key. Connect the ACDP and the BAV adapter according to the diagram and insert a blank key. Click OK. Check the key information. Click OK. Select the correct Class 3 date. Check the VIN number. Click OK. Remove the blank key and put in the walk key. Check the walk key information like ISN, VIN, key ID. Click OK. Take out the walk key. Put the blank key again. Click OK. Choose any blank key channel for key learning. Select option based on the key type. Based on my key, I'm gonna choose remote key. Please save the class date. This date contains information of old key and a new key. Method 1. You can put the Class 3 module back to the vehicle and insert the new key into the key slot for learning. Start the car with new key. Or you can choose Method 2. Write the class date back to the Class 3 module. Click Step 3. Write class date. Follow the wiring diagram to connect the ACDP, BDN adapter, and the Class ECU. Click OK. Pin detection passed. Click OK. Load the new class date. Put Class 3 module back to the vehicle. All operations are complete. Thank you for watching. Hope this video is helpful to you.